Welcome to Dental Stack. I'm Aditi, and today we'll explore Dental Stack's powerful dashboard designed to streamline your patient management and aligner change updates all in one place. Let's get started. Our dashboard is divided into three key sections: aligner change updates, general updates, and poor compliance patients. Let's begin with the aligner change section. This is where doctor can easily review updates submitted by patients, such as the date of aligner change, progress photos, and any feedback provided. Clicking on View directs you to the patient's timeline section for further details. For detailed instructions, refer to our dedicated video. Moving on to the patient activities update section, you can track various patient activities such as patients who have downloaded the app and accepted your connection invitation, patients who have submitted their current aligner details, patients beginning their treatment tomorrow, patients missing their aligner change, patients who have successfully changed their aligner, patients who have messaged you, patients not wearing a liner for the recommended duration, and much more. Lastly, there's a poor compliance patient section. Here, doctors receive notifications about patients with poor compliance levels, triggered at key milestones such as after 25%, 50%, and 75% completion of each aligner wear's duration. This section aids doctors in identifying at-risk patients who haven't adhered to the recommended wear hours for aligners. You can choose to send a message to the patient using preset message templates provided by Dental Stack. Once submitted, Dental Stack will send the message to the patient on your behalf. And that's it. With this robust dashboard, you can stay informed about patient progress, promptly address compliance issues, and deliver personalized care to optimize treatment outcomes. If you have any concerns or questions, do reach out to us through our chat site. Thank you for trusting in us with your aligner practice. Happy dentistry!